Hi everyone, Mark here. I'm going to show you how to clean the car from top to bottom with Kärcher products.
Today, we are doing a full exterior clean to get the best results in minutes, not hours. You need the right tool. The main tool we're using today is the Kärcher pressure washer. A lot of people worry that high pressure may damage their car, but the reality is the opposite. The Kärcher pressure washer uses up to 80% less water, but delivers the power needed to remove dirt safely, helping to avoid any issues caused by contact cleaning with a sponge or a brush later. Always start with your wheels. They're the dirtiest part of the car, and you don't want brake dust splashing onto your clean paint later. We have 3 ways to tackle them, depending on how dirty they are. For regular maintenance, the first option is the touch-free method. Apply Kärcher room cleaner to a dry wheel and let the chemistry do the work. The chemical needs to cling to the surface to break down the grime to avoid diluting it with water. Watch for the intelligent color change. As the active formula reacts with the dirt, it turns purple to indicate the cleaning agent is taking effect. The color isn't just for show. When it turns dark purple, the active dirt dissolver has reacted with the iron and it's ready to rinse. Connect your Vario Power spray lance to your pressure washer and twist to select the right pressure. Use a higher setting for durable alloys or dial it back for delicate custom rims. If you prefer not to use chemicals, the second option is to use one of Kärcher's rule washing brushes. Its 360-degree water distribution continuously flushes dirt away from the bristles, ensuring you are scrubbing with clean water and not grinding grit back into your rims. And for the ultimate deep clean on neglected wheels, combine options 1 and 2, the rim cleaner and the brush. Once you've worked it in, simply flush it all away with the pressure washer to reveal a showroom shine. And now for the body. For the ultimate pre-clean to loosen coarse dirt, we recommend using a Kärcher snow cannon. This particular model has a massive 1 litre tank capacity, allowing you to foam the entire vehicle without stopping to refill. We've paired the cannon with Kärcher Ultra Foam detergent. This isn't just soap, it's an active dirt dissolver. The formula creates a thick, clean foam that stays on the surface longer. Clean from the bottom up to ensure you don't miss a spot. And while the foam dwells, it lubricates the surface. If the car is particularly dirty, you can use a mitt to agitate stubborn grime, then follow with a second rinse. Swap to the Eco Booster. This is about cleaning smarter, not harder. The spray is up to 50% wider than the standard flat jet. This distributes the pressure evenly across the panel, lifting dirt gently, all while using up to 50% less water and energy. And remember, a nozzle is only as good as the machine driving it. The model we are using today is the Kärcher K5, which runs on a water-cooled motor. It circulates water around the motor to maintain peak performance and extend the machine's life. Technique is critical here. Clean from the bottom up. If you start at the top, the water runs down and hides the dirt you haven't hit yet. Working upwards ensures you never miss a spot. Finish with a final rinse from the top down to clear the suds and reveal that showroom shine. We recommend using the Kärcher VP180 Vario Power Jet. It features a 360-degree, infinitely adjustable joint that angles the spray for you, making it real easy to access those tight spaces. Because the power is variable, you can dial back the pressure to safely clean delicate plastic wheel liners. Finally, dry the paintwork immediately to prevent water spots.
Okay guys, and there you have it. I've cleaned the car from top to bottom with Kärcher products. Quick and easy. What an amazing result.